my healthy food talk. Hello, my name is Jordana. I am 7 years old. Today I will talk about healthy food. Healthy food help my body grow strong. It gives me energy to play, run, and learn. Fruits like bananas, apple, and oranges have vitamins. Vitamins help my eyes, my skin, and my bones. Vegetables like carrot, broccoli, and tomato are good for me. Carrot have vitamin A. Tomato have vitamin C. It helps me not get sick. Milk has calcium. It makes my teeth and bones strong. Rice and bread give me energy. Chicken and egg have protein help my muscle grow. I drink water every day. Water keeps me healthy and happy. Thank you for listening.